Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Have you ever been curious about whether a piece of code was truly written by a human developer or quietly generated by AI? With the rise of tools like ChatGPT and Copilot, this question has become more important than ever. In today's video on ASEAN, I'm going to introduce you to a powerful platform called Codespy AI, a tool designed specifically to analyze and detect whether your code is human-written or AI-generated. You'll find the link in the video description. Once you click on it, you'll land on the Codespy.ai homepage. To get started, you'll need to create an account, and it's simple. Just hit the register button, enter your details like name, email, and password, fill in the basic options, and you're ready to log in. After signing in, you'll be welcomed by the dashboard. The interface is clean and easy to understand. On the left-hand side, you'll see options such as Dashboard, Projects, Reports, and Settings. At the top, there are useful tabs like Overview and Activity, which let you keep track of your scans and analysis history. Now, the main feature here is the new AI scan button. To test it out, I first grabbed a code sample directly from ChatGPT. I copied that AI-generated code and pasted it inside the Projects section of Codespy. Next, I selected the programming language, as for example Java, Python, or PHP, and clicked on the Analyze button. Within seconds, Codespy.ai scanned the file and gave me the result. It clearly flagged the code as AI generated, showing a detection accuracy of around 98%. What's even more helpful is that it highlighted the AI generated portions in red, so you can instantly see which parts don't look human-authored. Now again, I will get the Java coding on ChatGPT and test it on Codespy. But I didn't stop there. To compare, I pasted one of my own Python scripts, something I personally wrote. After running the scan again, the tool reported it as 100% human-written, with only 2% showing possible AI influence. That small margin shows how detailed and reliable the tool is. This makes Codespy.ai not just a novelty, but actually a very practical solution. Whether you're a teacher checking student assignments, a recruiter verifying code samples, or simply a developer curious about your own work, this tool gives you a clear breakdown and helps you identify authenticity with confidence. So if you want to test your own projects or explore the difference between human and AI written code, give Codespy.ai a try. The link is waiting for you in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on tools like this. I'll catch you in the next video.